Arun Phillips, the founder of DreamStarter.xyz, and today we're going to look at how you can launch your dream startup in less than a few minutes through DreamStarter. And we're also going to see how you can take part in the 2.7 million Polygon meme coin battle royale that's sponsored by Polygon and Gitcoin. And we're going to show you how we will make your chances even better through our funding from the DreamStarter community and $300 worth of AI marketing agent support completely for free. Right? So this is the battle royale. This starts on 27th January, and this is a tutorial to help you submit your dreams and get them ready by that date. Right? So the first step is to go to dreamstarter.xyz/generate and share your dream in 2 to 3 sentences. Right? So I'm going to share a dream that was inspired by knowledge from the Global Citizen platform. There's 733 million people go to bed hungry each day. I want to do something to eradicate hunger by 2030. Alright, so that's my dream. I'm going to put, and if you're not connected, it'll ask you to connect your wallet. You can open up MetaMask, Rainbow. You can use this on mobile too. Open it up in your in-app browser. Rainbow, tons of other wallets supported. You can also, if you don't have a wallet yet, type in your email and create a new wallet using Privy. So now we've put in our dream and we let AI work on coming up with a basic suggestion for a name, a token ticker. That's what people will use to buy this meme coin or your dream coin, and it suggests a basic description, a logo, and a landing page for your MVP. Once you finalize these details, we'll move to, that's step 2, where we're going to review the idea, make any edits, and launch. And if you have trouble getting POL for actually launching the token, you need to pay a small transaction fee. You can DM me on Twitter. So here you see it's come up with this idea called NutriChain, a blockchain-powered platform connecting food surplus with communities in need. Right? Perfect idea. A lot of food wastage, connecting food wastage source with people who have food in need, and incentivizing donations and optimizing logistics. So here we see the title called NutriChain. You can make any edits to the ticker name if you want. I'm going to make it Nutri. Alright, and we select our category. It can be food, probably even social impact. So once you're happy with these choices, you can come down and you can see it's come up with a basic logo. It comes up with a design for your landing page, and you can go ahead and click submit. And this is where your tokens will be created. Transaction that actually creates this token and launches this token, right? So we click confirm, and there'll be a transaction that actually creates this token and launches this token, right? So we click confirm, and then we can look at what step 3 is, to enter your details and start your agent. Step 3, which is you enter your Twitter details, and I've already created an account for this NutriChain concept, but you can create your own account and enter the details over here. So I'm going to plug in the details here. Alright, perfect, and you hit start agent, and now what's going to happen is it's actually going to craft a customized character based on the idea that we put in, the NutriChain idea, and you'll be able to set the tone of this character, and it'll be able to reply to people that ask it questions, and it also automatically follows and engages with relevant people that might be interested in this idea. So it's a full-blown marketing sort of agent, marketing resource that you can rely on to have a 24/7 presence on Twitter now for this idea. Right, so now you can see this agent has been started. If we go into settings, let's enable tweeting, let's enable interactions, and let's also enable following. which will max the, so you can see it's come up with a basic instruction and a basic sort of tone, and the more you play around with this, the more you can sort of improve how the tweets come out. Post examples is really helpful here. You can set up your website, you can set up wherever you want to lead your sort of customers to. This Twitter query is what's being used to actually do the following part of the agent. And you can see you have a dashboard, can actually track the effectiveness of everything that goes down, right? So let's see what the tweet was generated. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so GM fam. So this is the Gen Z of it comes up with some basic stats. It auto matches surplus food with local distribution points, kind of tweeting about the future. But you can tweet or edit this to sort of send out the narrative and the visions that you want. Right. So now we're going to go on to step 4, and that's it. Like, all the work you need to do is done. Your chances in this battle royale are going to be so much more higher now because you have a 24/7 agent that's working on your dream or your meme coin. And this is the final step that you have to do. So each dream coin will have its dream. So now if you come to your home page and you click on the dreams gallery, so each dream actually gets its own subdomain on our website. So newtree.dreamstarter.xyz will be your subdomain. If you click on this, you'll be redirected to your dream page, and this is where people can actually buy your meme, invest in your token. There's a bonding curve. Once you hit this funding goal, you'll actually go live on Uniswap. And here you can also find out your token address, and this is what you'll need to fill in the form. So you copy this, you see this is your token tracker. So head on to the Polygon Gitcoin page. This is polygon.gitcoin.co, to the application form for the Polygon meme coin contest, and here we have our token name NutriChain. The ticker symbol is Nutri, and here we can enter the token contract address. We found you'll have to connect your wallet to prove your ownership, and select your AI agent type. Can be anything, I think. Over here it's possibly an autonomous agent. Yeah, it's self-operating, or you can choose other social impact agent, whatever works for you guys. Here you connect your Twitter account and then enter your details here. Don't enter the token contract address here, enter another address where you can receive rewards, right? So the final step would be to fill in the form on Gitcoin. That's done. And now confirm your entry for DreamStarter support. You can come to this, that's bit.ly/dreamstarters, and this will redirect you to this form where you can share some details, share your wallet address, some Twitter, and you can join your Telegram, where we'll be supporting each other and helping each other grow and succeed during this meme coin battle royale. So thank you very much. You've successfully created your dream, and all the best.